India is one of the mega diverse countries of the world, with home to nearly 8% of world's total record species of plants and animals. One effective way of conserving our rich biodiversity is through declaration of protected areas where natural resource exploitation and human activities are legally controlled and limited. TVS Motor Company's Nature Conservation Reserve is one of the OECMs. Our commitment to conservation has converted 50 acres of wasteland into thriving forests, home to many plants, animals, and various species.
One of the major things that we're doing particularly is creating sub-habitats. We have a nice forest here, but the more sub-habitats that you have, you get more wildlife because sub-habitats have specific costs, animal costs. So if you have several sub-habitats, you get that much more wildlife. For example, grasslands will have its own set of wildlife. There'll be some crossover, there's some spillover, but largely there are animals and birds and other creatures that live specifically in grasslands. So we have a small grassland habitat. Then we have an open woodland. There are animals and birds and other creatures that thrive in that kind of habitat. So we have that habitat also. Wetlands, very important habitat because lots of wildlife depends on wetlands. In fact, even the other habitats to some extent do depend on wetlands. Then the other things we're doing is we're trying to attract butterflies, to do which we have a butterfly garden. We grow butterfly attracting plants, which brings in the butterflies. They breed there and that's our purpose is served. We also have other little initiatives going, like we have a botanical park, we have other medicinal gardens and other things. All of which we are hoping will help build this little ecosystem that we are trying to create over here.
This 50-acre bioreserve has generated huge impact on the ecology of the locality. Hundreds of migratory birds do come every year and breed inside the campus. The groundwater level has improved from 30 meter to 10 meter. The TDS level has improved from 2000 to 1000 levels. Apart from that, the soil has enriched. We can see earthworms all over the place now. More than this, almost 400 different species of animals can be spotted, 200 plus birds, 19 plus reptiles, and more than 20 different types of mammals.
Several conservation efforts are underway in India. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, National Biodiversity Authority of India, UNDP India, and other partners are in the process of identifying, mapping and documenting OECMs in India. Together, we can create a well-connected network of area-based conservation integrated into landscapes and seascapes.